Hello guys, Nandi here, welcome to my channel. So today we have another envelope with some mixed world banknotes. This time we have some really good banknotes. It's one of those rare occasions that I buy exclusively for my collection, world banknote collection. Because mostly I buy just to resell them, mix stuff up, new banknotes with older banknotes. So today we have something special. Let's see. I think this is the right envelope because I have bought many things this month, so the videos will keep coming. This is from a seller from Serbia. So, the first beauty. The banknotes are in circulated conditions, but as you might know, I collect them if I don't have them in my collection. So, this is an old Albanian banknote, 20 francs, when Albania was occupied by Italy. So I have had some older Albanian banknotes in the past, but I have sold them, so I'm beginning to recollect them. So beauty, it's a very big banknote. So this goes to my collection. We have an older Deutschmark, German mark. I think this will go back to eBay, mixed with other banknotes. I have this banknote in my collection, very damaged old pound. Definitely goes to eBay, mixed up. We have here 20 Corona from Austria Hungary Empire. It's in a good condition. Maybe I will keep this banknote for my collection, because I have started to collect pre-World War II banknotes. Those big ones. This was the style back then. Very big banknotes. And this is from January 2nd, 1913. I can't zoom anymore, so this is going to my collection. We have another Austria Hungary, 10 kronen. I don't know, I maybe keep this, also this banknote. Well, we have here 5 francs from Western African states. They speak French, and they have banknotes still today with the French art, kind of art on the banknotes. ex-French colonies. I don't know, I might keep this. As I said before, this is some rare occasion that I buy banknotes only for my collection and not for reselling, because mostly I buy only for reselling. Another banknote from West African states. This is a more modern one. These are the countries, but I don't remember what country is B, C, E, A, or O. They have the same currency, but this is from the country A. I don't know, maybe A, if I remember correctly, A is Ivory Coast, if I'm not mistaken. Here is. So 5 countries with the same currency. Neat. Another African banknote, 50 kwacha from Zambia. This goes back to eBay. We have an old 20 dinars from Yugoslavia. I'm sorry. Yes, it's Yugoslavia. Serbian, Croatian, Slovenian, Macedonian. 1944. We have here 50 kopecks. I think this is from Russia, a very old banknote. Or billet. This writing here is bileta. Maybe it's not a banknote, maybe it's some kind of coupon or something. I don't know the year. Doesn't have a year. Next is a beautiful 20 baht from Thailand. This is one of my top 10 banknotes, countries and banknote, for the design that I really like. I collect everything from Thailand. It's a really beautiful banknote. Goes to my collection. Here we have 10 dinars from Yugoslavia. Let's see the year. March 3rd, 1994. I had this set of banknotes, but I have sold them, so I will start to collect them again. Another one from Serbian Republic, 5,000 dinars. I think this is from the early 90s. Yes, 1992. This goes to my collection also. It's in a good condition. A classic 1000 lire from Italy. Goes to eBay. A very old 100 dinars from Yugoslavia. I have this banknote. So it goes back to eBay. This is a very beautiful design banknote, 25 korun from Czechoslovakia. 1961. Is a very used banknote, but I don't have this banknote, so I will keep it. If I find another one in a better condition, I will swap that with this banknote. But for the moment, this stays with me. A very old, another one from Austria Hungary, 2 krona. It's a damaged, so goes back. And now this is an older 100 rubles from Belarus. It's uncirculated, but it's a very worthless banknote. So back to eBay. We have here 20 pounds from Egypt. It's a very used banknote. So I have this banknote, 2 or 3 same banknotes in a better condition, so this goes back to eBay. Here we have a very beautiful and very relative costly banknote. This is not a very costly banknote, by the way, by the looks. Stains and very damaged banknote. This is a 200 old leva from Bulgaria, 1929. I'm thinking to keep this banknote just for the design, for the looks of it, but it's a very damaged banknote. I just love the design, the old design, the classic design. But in a better condition, this banknote goes for $100 or $200. So I will keep it. Another classic from Poland, 100 zlotych from the Colonies period. And now comes the Beauties. These are 2 Beauties that I only for this I bought this lot only for these 2 Beauties. This is another one from Russia, 20 rubles, but I don't know what it is. A coupon banknote, I don't know what it is. If you guys know, please let me know in the comments below. So this goes to my collection, and this is not a what is called. This is not a stamp. This is an actual some kind of coupon. 3 rubles, I think. It's a coupon, not a banknote, obviously. Never mind, goes to my collection. So I'm very excited for these banknotes. These 2 banknotes. These are 2 banknotes from Albania. Very old banknotes from I think I forgot the date from the 20s. These banknotes are very collectible, not only for Albanians. 10 lakh, and 5 francs. So better in this position. So I bought this lot, the banknotes that are going to my collection, 3 Albanians. The other one banknotes that are going to my collection, and the rest back to eBay. So I bought this lot for only about $16, shipping including. But only these 2 banknotes are worth more than, in this condition, more than $16. Maybe 40. These are very beautiful designed from Italian master designers. So guys, hope you enjoyed this video. I will post many videos this month because I bought many banknotes and world coins also for my collection. I don't sell coins, I buy coins only for my collection. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give a thumbs up, and if you are new to my channel, please consider subscribing. I will appreciate it. Thank you guys for watching, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.